you want us not smoking in this, or is
No,
it?
smoking good. Smoking good. Rockstar.
Everybody loves smoking because whether people like it or not, it's cool.
So we're curious tonight about drinking strategies. As soon as you wake up, hit the bottle. That's what I fucking do.
It's a very simple strategy, but it works.
I find it works. It works generally.
Also, after a big meal, lay off the fizzy beers and stuff, go for the gin and tonics, that kind of thing.
Yeah,
Hit the spirits.
I'm trying to drink gin and tonics at the moment because, as we all know, gin and tonic is made from the tears of widows and divorcees.
I've been on gin for the past 4 days. I'm laughing all the way.
Yeah. I just can't seem to get depressed enough. Yeah.
I'm having my first one
Seem
now.
to be enjoying it a bit too much. Yeah.
I'm usually the one who gets told off.
Yeah, Jack's really like the really big drinker.
I'm
probably.
only the one who looks about 12 as well. But yeah, as soon as we hit the venue, it's like, can I get a beer? And our tour man is just like, fucking Jack. But I mean, I've never gone on stage piss, and I'd never recommend it unless you can play when you piss, and I definitely can't.
If you can pull it off, then good. I used to drink wine all the time, and I loved it. But
I don't get hangovers off white wine,
don't you?
which is fucking
White
spot
wine
on.
gives me terrible heartburn. Can't deal with that.
I made the mistake of having a glass of red wine on a train journey the other day, and I don't want to touch the stuff ever again at the moment.
Pre-show, what are you drinking? What's your
Pre-show?
Probably a couple of bottles before you go on the show, and as soon as you get off stage, get fucked up.
But
Yeah,
beers, you do get a bit burpy, don't you?
You do.
I find if you have 3 beers before you go on stage, you're good and pumped up,
You're good
and
and
then
ready.
you're a bit drunk, but you can still play, which is good, always good, obviously.
There's a little bit of
and-
inhibition.
Yeah, and
Get it
then
going.
you know afterwards you get fucking wasted.
So where do you guys drink at home?
Where?
Like,
Yeah.
Where?
Do you have specific bars?
Yeah, it's
pubs?
Corova in
Corova's
Liverpool,
the
bar
place.
called Corova, which is
Lots
pretty
of cool
cool.
bands playing there all the time and stuff. Most people in Britain drinking Weatherspoons. You ever heard of that?
No.
Weatherspoons is a nasty
It's the-
chain
yeah.
of bars.
they're
And
doing
it's
99p
it's
a
like
pint,
yeah, it's cheap
which is like-
and not cheerful, but you know it's a trough for just getting fucked and wasted.
It's a wretched hive of scum and villainy.
Last question. Hangover cures.
I don't know if that actually is one.
I wish we had one for today.
I find drink a lot of water,
Yeah.
eat something, and then start drinking
A good-
alcohol again.
Oh,
Yeah.
You can get a hold of any, have a nice big spliff.
Ah.
The way forward every
And a
time.
good day in bed. You know, that's all you need. A good day in bed. Some films. Bit of Never-Ending Story. That's what you did last time.
The Wish Dragon will sort you out.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to think. I'm sure I found the hangover cure the other day, and I've completely
Coke's
forgotten.
pretty good, as in the drink.
Right. Oh, yeah. No, that's what it is. Bubbles. Like if I have like a fizzy like lemonade or something, like that. That's what I'll wake up in the morning and I'll like go to the girl. I need some bubbles, and she'll shoot over, get a bottle of Coke, and I'm sorted.
And she'll just start going.
We can't show her this.